In this section, you will learn how to write Angular in 5 minutes. You'll learn where to write Angular, and you'll also see what you've written appear in the browser. The first step is understanding that Angular must be written somewhere. That where is going to be StackBlitz, and we'll have a look at that shortly. In StackBlitz, we will open up an Angular project. Inside that Angular project, we'll write some code. And you'll see that code in your browser. And we'll do all of this in a matter of minutes. First of all, you need to understand that Angular needs to be written somewhere. Angular is a framework, and Angular is made up of lots of languages that all work together. And to begin with, the file structure is a little bit complicated. However, we'll soon make short work of that. Angular needs to be stored, and it needs to be executed. That's how it runs in your browser. So we've established that Angular needs to be written. So where are you going to write it? Angular can be written in many editors, such as Notepad or Notepad++, and many more. But there is a downside to editors. They lack the modern productivity tools that are essential to being a successful developer. Angular can be written in an IDE. What does IDE stand for? Integrated Development Environment. Visual Studio Code is an IDE. Visual Studio Code is an integrated development environment. Visual Studio Code is free. And Visual Studio Code comes packed with features, many productivity features that are going to make you successful as a developer. We're going to take a look at StackBlitz shortly, and you need to understand a little bit about StackBlitz. StackBlitz provides immediate access. StackBlitz requires no downloads. StackBlitz is free. StackBlitz allows us to write code now. So let's navigate to StackBlitz and take a look. Here we are in StackBlitz, www.stackblitz.com. If we scroll down the page, we will see this box here called Angular. If we click on this box, what loads is our Angular project. Now this has been loaded into a browser. You haven't had to download anything. It is completely running within your browser. This provides you everything you need to be able to write code right now. On the left hand side, you will see a set of files. This is standard for an ordinary Angular project. In the middle here is your editor. This is where you will write your code. On the right hand side is a browser window. This is where you'll see what you write in the editor execute immediately and see the output as if you were an end user, somebody surfing the internet, and you would see what they see. Let's write some code now. If we navigate to app.component.html, you will see there are 2 paragraph tags and some text. Inside these paragraph tags, you will see this text on the browser is written. If we delete what's in there and write some text, what we will see is what we write appear in the browser. If it doesn't appear immediately, press this button here to refresh the browser portion and you will see what you've written. You've just written your first piece of code. Let's have a recap about what we've just done. In summary, we just visited StackBlitz.com. On the front page of StackBlitz, we found the box that said Angular on it. We clicked on that box and we loaded a brand new Angular project into the browser. In the second step, on the left-hand side, we discovered the file structure. In the middle, we discovered the editor, and then the right-hand side was the browser. In the left-hand side, file structure, we navigated to app.component.html. When app.component.html loaded into the editor, we found the paragraph tags. In between the paragraph tags, we wrote a message. On the right-hand side, we saw that message appear in the browser as you would if you were surfing the internet and came across this web app. In the rest of this course, there is one simple goal. The goal is to get you coding fast. The course will build up your skills fast. And this course will lead to more advanced courses. The best way to learn code is to write code. And this course will build your skills up. And in the next course, which is slightly more advanced, it will teach you how to build a web app. Stick with this course and very quickly you will be building web apps.